if you want your chrome to gleam like new and stay that way. Today we're breaking down the best chrome polishes available on Amazon for long-lasting mirror-like results. Let's start with the 3D metal polish. This heavy-duty formula is a favorite among detailing professionals and auto enthusiasts alike. With its powerful oxidation-cutting capability, it brings life back to dull, tarnished chrome in just minutes. The 16-ounce bottle provides ample product for repeat use, making it a cost-effective option for serious car owner. What sets it apart is its ability to cut through years of grime and embedded corrosion with minimal effort. Whether you're restoring an old motorcycle exhaust or brightening up trailer parts, this polish delivers a brilliant showroom-level shine. Customers love its thick consistency, fast results, and ability to work on aluminum and stainless steel surfaces as well. If you're after a no-nonsense polish that works hard and leaves a lasting shine, the 3D metal polish is a top-tier choice. Next on the list is Mother's California Gold Chrome Polish, an industry staple that lives up to its heritage. Known for its gentle but effective cleaning power, this 12-ounce polish is formulated to protect while it shines. It's safe for chrome, glass, and mirrors, and it goes on smooth with no streaking or scratching. One of its strongest attributes is the protective coating it leaves behind, which resists water spots and environmental grime. It's also easy to buff out, which means less elbow grease and more glow. For those who love classic cars or motorcycles and want a polish that enhances as well as preserves, this Mother's product is a go-to solution. Its creamy texture and ease of use make it a great option for both beginners and experienced detailers. For those who want something fast and easy, look no further than Eagle One NEVR-DULL wadding polish. This iconic metal polish uses a pre-treated cotton wadding that you simply tear, rub, and shine. It's perfect for touch-ups or full cleanings on rims, bumpers, and chrome pipes. The 5-ounce can may look small, but it packs a lot of mileage. One wad can clean a surprising amount of surface. Unlike paste or liquid polishes, there's no mess or extra tools needed. It's as convenient as metal polishing gets, making it ideal for quick detailing or on-the-go shine-ups. Many users keep it in their trunks or saddlebags for emergencies or last-minute cleans. The results are impressive, offering a high-gloss finish with minimal effort. This one is a must-have for practical users who want fast, effective polishing without the cleanup. The fourth option is FLITZ Metal Polish Paste, a non-abrasive formula that's incredibly versatile. Coming in a 1.76-ounce tube, this paste polish is safe for chrome, stainless steel, aluminum, brass, and even jewelry. What makes FLITZ stand out is its anti-tarnish properties. Once you polish a surface, it forms a protective layer that repels dust, fingerprints, and moisture. This helps preserve the shine for weeks, even in tough conditions. Many users also apply it to marine hardware, guns, and RV fittings because of its durability and non-reactive properties. Though it's small in size, a little goes a long way. If you're working with delicate items or want a gentle polish that still delivers stunning results, FLITZ is an excellent option. Rounding out the list is the 3M Chrome and Metal Polish, a trusted product from a brand known for industrial-grade solution. This 10-ounce bottle is designed to restore brilliance to chrome, stainless steel, brass, and copper. It removes rust, stains, oxidation, and watermarks with ease. Professionals love it for its consistent performance and long-lasting shine, especially on older chrome that has lost its luster. One key advantage of this polish is how evenly it applies and buffs out, leaving no hazy residue or streaking. The results are often compared to high-end detailing shops, yet it's simple enough for anyone to use it. Whether you're prepping your vehicle, show, or maintaining your ride, the 3M polish gives a pro-level finish that's tough to beat.